Meaning of electroencephalogram.
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 Electroencephalogram. An electroencephalogram, EEG, is a test that measures and records the electrical activity of the brain. It is a non-invasive and painless procedure that involves placing electrodes on the scalp to detect the electrical signals produced by the brain cells. EEGs are used to diagnose various neurological conditions such as epilepsy, sleep disorders, and brain tumors. The results of an EEG are presented as a series of waveforms, which can indicate abnormalities in brain function. EEGs are an important tool for understanding brain function and guiding treatment decisions for neurological disorders.